Hello, everybody. Dadas here, speaking to you from the Dadas Trading Room Discord server, where I stream my trading live every day. So you can join. The link with the invitation is below in the descriptions to the Discord server. Again, Dadas Trading Room Discord server, and I stream all my trading live every day. Of course, you can join. You can text chat or voice chat with me, whatever you wish. The Discord server is a very good way of to hang out and to interact. Okay, so every day also at the end of the day, at least where I am in Europe, I do the daily recap and talk about my trading and what I've done during the day. Of course, I trade the DAX 30 index because it gives me many opportunities to take trades. So today I was doing two things. First of all, we can see the white lines denominate one day, and the other lines are just specific hours that I'm interested in. And yeah, so we can see that basically the majority oh the move of the day happened practically during the Asian session, and then a little bit on the opening of Frankfurt, London, a little bit more, and that's where we reached the high of the day, and that was 183 pips, and that's how it stayed. Later on, the market pushed back down, retested, and started going down with a little bit of a pullback on the opening of the New York session, and then a little bit lower. So basically, I was trading today, looking at the Renko bars, right? I mean, of course, both, right? I was looking at the Renko bars and looking at the standard time frame too, right? Simultaneously, and obviously now I took my first trade over here, and that was a long one, and it exactly took my take profit level, and I got 23 pips according to the assumption right here. So that's what I was aiming at. However, I decided to first go at a minimum lot. Then on the next trade, I did the same thing. So I went this way. However, I got a little bit impatient with the price action, and yeah, and I closed the trade. Okay, now I have to help myself like this. Now what's okay? So yeah, but we can see that ultimately the market went where it was supposed to go. And then I traded short when the market turned around, and again I petered out too early, and the market actually did go where it was supposed to go. And at the end of the day, I made a little bit of a mistake. I was trying to do the same thing like this, but the market first pulled back. I was ready even to take a loss right there, but at the end of the day, I got very impatient right here. I was convinced that the market would go down, but because of this waiting right here, and this really took quite a lot of time, and I simply got impatient. Plus, I had some chores to do in the house, so I had to get out of it and leave it alone. And that's it for as far as the trading on the DAX. Now, another thing that I was doing today was trading this kind of a pattern, right? There's this pattern that traders like to trade, and I opened a test trade right here at the minimum lot of 0.01. Okay, this is the Australian dollar to the American dollar on the H1, And this is not day trading. This is something that, well, sometimes it could happen that the reaction takes place during the day, but in this case the market triggered my sell limit and then continued up, now returned back. Now I am in profit, but the target is right there, and there is one pending order on the way. So basically, something like that. This is more of a test. I have some ideas. I also have some ideas because I have this. Well, it's not a scanner yet. Right now, it's I can switch between switch between instruments. I can switch between time frames easily right here, right? And that's well, sort of a scanner to look for the specific patterns, and this pattern is visible, nicely visible when using the zigzags, right? The zigzag. Now, yeah. So basically, that's what's going on right here, right? That's what's going on right here. Uh, so yeah. So basically, I found this context more or less. No, it wasn't like this. It was like this. Yeah, I need this. I need this mid level right here. I need this mid level right here. Okay, so basically it's about like this, and of course in this type of trading, well, you just have to wait because yeah, it could happen at the same time, but it could take a day or two, or whatever time the market has to take. So this is this kind of an experiment. Okay, so that's it for today. Another pretty nice day. I don't have anything bad to say right here. It's just that I could be a bit more patient with those trades, right? Just one more thing. I decided to lower the range of the Renko bars to 1100 because I was looking at it and trying to fit it better to the to my ruler, right? To the Dada's communication market communication interface. Anyways, yeah. So I figured out that a Renko bar of 11 pips will be better. However, I didn't trade it this way. But I'll be trying to trade it this way during the following days. It's still the target is still 20 pips. Okay. So that's it for today. Thank you very much. Please like, please subscribe. If you already haven't joined my Dada's Trading from Discord server, please. You're welcome. And then you can also become my patron at patreon.com, and there are specific benefits that come with it. You can read about them on my Dada's Trading from Discord server under there's a channel dedicated to it. It's called Patreon Benefits. Okay. Now, yeah. Also, I mean, this pattern can be found on practically any time frame. Here on the DAX 30, there was also the same pattern, basically. And then, yeah, it's just that a friend of mine uses this strategy and he's doing very well with it. But I'm not that type of guy like he is, so I would rather wait for a confirmation rather than do it the way I did, because basically, here on the Aussie dollar, I simply put a pending order right here, a sell limit, and it got triggered. But basically, I think, well, something that suits me better is when the price comes back, and then proves to be, yeah, in other words, confirms the bearish trend, and then go with it. That would have been better because uh, oh, another thing is that uh, the characteristic of a specific market. I haven't been observing these currency pairs for quite a long time now, so I have to see what the character is of a specific pair, because the character of what I'm seeing right here is a little bit different than something that I see on the DAX 30 index, but it's similar. But anyways, it would have been better to go short, for example, up there, right? So basically, that would have even been a better price if I had gone long after this confirmation right here. Okay. Anyways, this even if I lose this trade, it's not gonna hurt a lot. It's a very minimum position, 0.01, so the minimum possible. So we'll see. Okay, so one more time, thanks a lot for today. Please be careful, take care, and see you next time. Bye.